That's funny, convict. I don't recall giving you access to our database.
Just keeping up on current events, Captain. Seems this Queen of Blades got everybody running scared. She don't look so tough.
You have no idea who she is, do you, Tychus?
Don't matter to me none.
Well, it matters to Jim. They were close once.
Wait a minute. You're telling me they were shacked up?
Apparently she was something else. Before the Zerg took her. Turned her into that.
And Jimmy feels responsible.
Honestly, if we have to face her again, I don't know what he'll do.
Woman like that, there's only one thing to do.
I caught Tychus hacking into our database, sniffing around about Kerrigan. I don't know what his game is, but we clearly can't trust him.
Matt, me and Tychus ran together a long time. Got in all sorts of trouble. When the law finally caught up, he took the rap for both of us. Never once ratted me out. I got a second chance. He got locked up.
I understand your loyalty, sir, but...
I owe him, Matt. Leave it be.
Yes, sir.
Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
Your Mobius buddies ever happen to mention that the Queen of Blades wants these artifacts too?
Hey, they just give me the missions, man. What's it matter anyway? Putting that bitch down would be doing everyone a favor.
I thought it was just about the money with you, Tychus.
Nothing says I can't do my part for humanity and get paid well for my trouble.
Right.
This is Donnie Vermillion live from UNN. Tonight, we're going to discuss the infamous Queen of Blades. Scientists and military insiders have long speculated that the enigmatic alien is, in fact, an infested human.
That's right, Donnie. Is it possible that the leader of the Zerg has a human heart?
More importantly, Kate, could this mean some kind of Terran-Zerg alliance is possible?
Donnie, there's never been any evidence at all to suggest that infested humans retain their free will.
You make a good point, Kate. The question is then, how do we kill her?
That's one I think we all can agree on. If humanity is to survive, the Queen of Blades needs to be eliminated.
Commander, the alien artifact is all secure in the lab, sir. You know, seeing it got me to thinking about my special projects.
Whoa, slow down, Stedman. What do you mean, projects? You doing some kind of research down here?
Yeah, well, not yet, sir. I still need some additional specimens to get things going. Once I get those, we can make some big improvements to our weapon systems and tactics.
Well, I'm all for that. What do you need?
All kinds of things. I've entered the details into our database. If you run into something on a mission that we need, you'll be notified automatically.
Just try not to blow up the ship, okay, Stedman?
That Zerg woman seemed to know you. She really rattled you, didn't she?
Me and her, well, we go back a ways. She was a ghost once. Back then, we were hooked up with Mengsk and fighting to get rid of the old Confederacy. We made a pretty good team.
What happened to her?
She was a casualty of war. No offense, Doc, but I really don't like to talk about it.
I understand. If you ever change your mind, I'm here.
I've been hearing strange stories from the crew of late. Unexplained noises, strange visions, voices in the dark. Rumor has it these things are haunted.
Superstitious nonsense. These artifacts are completely inert and they're contained down here in the lab. There is some trace radiation, but I don't see how they could affect things elsewhere on the ship.
Heaven forbid we run across alien tech that messes with our primitive little monkey brains. Just keep a close eye on them, Doc.
Gotta hand it to you, Chief. Stealing an artifact.
Are you all right, sir? Confronting Kerrigan again after all these years.
We've got to stop her, Matt. No matter what she's after.
Well, we gave her a setback today. The artifacts are obviously important to her. I just wish we knew why.
Jim.
So what are we looking at, Doc?
Our readings indicate some kind of bio-infestation is spreading through the refugee camps. Even the buildings are being covered by it.
I've seen this kind of thing before. It's a Zerg virus. All we can do is burn it out. Every one of those infested buildings has to be destroyed.
But where are all the people? Oh no. Those things are infested refugees? This is a nightmare.
Yeah. This ain't good at all.
It looks like they burrow underground by day and emerge only at night. The virus must make them vulnerable to the high UV output of Meinhof's star.
Then we'll hit the infested buildings by day and protect our base at night. Don't worry, Doc. We'll contain this thing.
Huh? By the numbers, boys.
Fight fire with fire. Ready to fry. Ready to roast.
Who wants some? Ready. Been waiting on you. Armed and ready.
All right, boys. risk the contagion spreading to this camp. I want a perimeter set and some bunkers in place now.
You going sweet on that doctor lady, Jimmy. Can't see why else we'd keep fighting for these damn dirt farmers.
Need some triage? Standing by.
Add-on complete. Insufficient
Gangway,
gas.
coming through. You gonna give me orders? I'm on it. SCV ready. Go, go, go!
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Armed and ready. What's going on? You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good. I feel ya.
Say the word. Fueled up, ready to fry.
Now we gotta hold out till sunrise. Brace yourselves. This could get ugly.
Nature of you rang. Where does it hurt? Please state the nature of your...
Orders received. By the numbers, boys. Big jump. Go ahead. This better be good. Got it.
Ready to fry.
Where does it hurt? Need some triage? You rang.
Additional supply depots required.
Go ahead. Well, butter my biscuit. SCV ready.
Please, kill me.
SCV ready. Go ahead. I can't build here. Bad news.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Ready.
The doctor is in.
Got my attention.
Gangway, coming through. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. Who wants? This better be good. Oh yeah. Gangway, coming through.
Oh, it's on. Don't leave me hanging.
My goose is getting cooked. Ready to fry. Got my attention.
Armed and You gonna give me your... This better be good. Sure.
Additional supply depots required.
Why not? Who wants some?
Hey, hotshot. I got schematics to build them Hellions you saw in Marsara. Should be good down there.
Will do.
The doctor is in. Standing by. Ooh, sounds serious. You rang? That's a serious outbreak.
Yes. You gonna give me orders?
Additional upgrade complete.
We could use some help here.
We hear you.
Sun's coming up. We gotta hold on a little longer.
On you.
Daylight's burning. Pedal to the metal.
Additional supply depots required.
Rise and shine, boys. Now it's our time to do some damage.
Yes, sir. Orders received.
I'm going in.
Armed and ready.
Is that some sort of nest? You better destroy it.
You. Oh, yeah. Outstanding. This better be good. Roger that. Why not? That's fine. By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders? Of course. Who wants some? Can't wait. Aye, aye, sir. Affirmative. By the numbers. Armed and ready. Who wants some? Orders received. You've been waiting on you. This better be good. Keep your shirt out. I'm on it. Got it. Sure thing.
You better send some body bags.
Go, go, go. You gonna give me orders? By the number. Who wants some? You got it.
Looks like that sector's clear, Jim. Better move on to the next one.
Sure thing. Yes, sir. Been waiting on you. Outstanding. This better be good. Will do.
Upgrade complete.
Why now? Arm, this better be good. And more. Can't wait.
Good job. Very secure.
Aye, sir. Looking forward to it. You got it. Who wants some? Oh, yeah. That's number. You gonna give me orders? Sure thing. Orders received. Affirmative. Outstanding. Been waiting on you. thing. Uh-huh. In the rear. Big job. This better be good. Yo,
let's have a blast.
Bye. I'm on you. Can't wait. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. That's a negatory. It's blocked. Gangway, coming through. SCV ready. What's up? Over to it. Been waiting on. You gonna give me orders? Affirmative. Of course. By the numbers, boys. This better be good. Why not? That's fine. What's up? Area secure. Go, go, go!
You've dealt a serious blow to their numbers, Jim. You're doing great.
Can't wait. You gonna give me orders? By the numbers, boys. Armed, and this better be good. Go ahead. Yeah. In the rear with the gear. It's your dime. Who wants some?
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
By the numbers. Show me. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. You gonna give me orders? Outstanding. This better be good. Where?
Please state the name.
You should set some guards. They'll be coming again soon.
A lot of love.
Who wants some? Armed? By the numbers. Armed?
Scans are picking up a unique Zerg biosignature. It appears to be a burrowing creature that is underground during the day and emerges only at night.
Sir, if you kill one of those creatures, Stedman can study it and perhaps learn something.
By the numbers, boys. Armed and ready.
Where's the hot action? I'm going in.
Is it critical?
Are you ready for this?
What's up?
Invested Marines? Oh, hell, Jimmy, I don't care for that notion one bit.
My goose is getting cooked.
Just stay with
me. Sure thing.
To raise some hell.
Armed and ready. Go ahead.
My goose is getting cooked.
Add-on complete.
Yes, sir. That's a negatory. It's blocked. Uh-huh. Gotcha. Been waiting on you. Orders. Armed and who wants some?
Add-on complete.
You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Who wants some? You sure got Sparky. By the numbers, boys.
job? Bad news?
We could use some help here. Oh, yeah.
Don't leave me hanging.
This better be good. Ouch.
In the rear with the gear.
You gonna give me orders?
Big job, huh? I can't build here. Yes, sir. Sure thing.
Armed and ready. You gonna give me orders?
What is that thing? Was it human?
Light it up. Big job, huh?
Who wants some? Will do. You gonna give me orders? By the numbers, boys. Armed and
World of hurt. Hell yeah.
who wants some?
Ready to raise some hell.
This better be good. Outstanding. By the numbers.
They've broken through the south barricade. Get some troops down there now.
You know, I think I saw this in a movie once.
Absolutely. Hell yeah.
Daybreak in 30 seconds.
I'm going in. Time's a wasting.
Say the word.
Trouble.
Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
Don't forget, you have to be back by dark.
Who wants some?
Don't leave me hanging.
Ready to fry.
You got it.
Oh, it's on.
By the numbers, boys.
Ah! You scared me. Raise some hell. Will do.
Armed and ready.
Where's my...
Our SCVs are under attack.
Looks like that sector's clear, Jim. Better move on to the next one.
You gonna give me orders? Sure. Aye, aye, sir. This better be good. Looking forward to it. Of course.
Go ahead. Ready to raise some hell. I'm going. Big job, huh? Bad news? Huh? Daylight's burning.
Sure done, smart. Armed and ready. That's fine.
All right, this sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Orders? We could use some help here.
Burn rubber.
Been waiting on you. I'm on it. Yes, sir. You gonna give me orders? Right. By the number.
Upgrade complete.
Good job, guys. This area's secure.
What's up?
Are you ready for this?
This better be good. Outstanding. Go. Orders received. 10-4.
Good job, guys. This
Will
area's
do.
secure.
Armed and waiting on you. Word.
Who wants some? That's fine. You got it. I feel it. This better be good.
Bad news. Will do. Gotcha. Yep. Yeah, whatever.
Just want a piece of me, boy. Can't. By the numbers, boy. That's fine. Go been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? Who wants some? Go, go, go! Roger that. Outstanding. Can't wait. Affirmative. By the numbers, boys. Will do. You gonna give me orders? That's fine. Sure. Who wants some?
I'm not detecting any more infested structures in that sector, Jim.
Armed and ready. Been waiting on you. Looking forward to it. Keep your shit up, Sparky. Who wants some?
You're almost done. There's just a handful of infested biosigns left. I'll highlight their locations on your map.
I can't build here. Yep. Yeah.
Been waiting on
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
your orders received. Yes, sir. By the number, you gonna give me orders? Roger that.
Bad news. In the rear with the gear. Overtime.
Armed and ready.
Keep your eyes peeled. There's gonna be more of them out there.
Who wants some? That's fine. Can't wait. Go, go, go! Armed and ready. Got it. You got it. By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders?
Mineral field depleted.
Whoa, that sure pissed them off. Maybe we should wait for daylight.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Sure.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
You got it.
Daylight's burning.
Armed and ready. Sure thing. Roger that. Yes, sir.
You did it, Jim. I knew you wouldn't let us down. Now I've got to get my people somewhere safe.
Ain't gonna be so easy, darling. This whole sector's crawling with Zerg.
There's got to be somewhere out there the aliens haven't touched. Some undiscovered paradise waiting just for us.